Welcome. In today's session, I'm going to walk you through on how to enable text suggestion in a laptop or PC that will run with the 11 operating system. Sometimes you may like for some spellings or some words to be suggested to you as a type on your PC, but you don't know how to go about it. So follow me as I walk you through on how you can do that in this video. The first step is to click on the Start button, which is the first button on a PC that runs with the 11 operating system. After that, click on Settings. This will open the settings page of your PC. So these are some settings options by the left margin. And where we can make this change is on the time and language. So click on time and language settings. Okay. Under time and language, there are some sub-settings, and one of them is typing. So click on typing. So this will open a typing settings page for us. Okay, you can see some options under this section, but our interest is on show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. By default, this is turned off in Windows 11. But we have to enable it here because that is what this video is all about. So toggle on this button for it to be enabled. Once you do this, as you type on maybe any word processor or even in your browser, anything that accepts text in your PC, okay, you will see some text being suggested to you. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, please hit the like button. All right, as that will promote this video. Also, if you're watching my video for the first time and have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch some other videos on Windows 11, please click on the playlist above to see some other videos on Windows 11 and then watch more of the videos to help enhance your skill on how to use any computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Thank you and see you some other time.